there. So you know, so girl now pay the money for no VIP thing. So and let's make it free. So we just rent regular seating and all that. A lot of persons were there, and yeah, setup was kind of nice, very big and spacious. That's my sister. Yeah, that's me showing you my outfit. Guys, you have to wear something comfortable because you're gonna be sitting down for long hours. Now that's us in the line, waiting to go in. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Now this is my first time going to a circus, so I was kind of excited, like I'm a young child, very excited to see this, what was going on, what was it all about, and all of that. So as I said, continue watching, guys. I hope you enjoy this video.